Hi everyone, welcome back to another random vlog. Some shopping, some cooking, and a piece of information I want to share with you all. Keep watching. Shopping wasn't completed in a day, and as Eid approaches, there's a lot of offers everywhere. To be honest, I love to shop for myself when I'm alone. My husband drops me where I want to shop, kids being at school. So it's a daytime, I love to go to any malls when there's less crowd. Especially if I want to check out any outfits, how it looks on me. The fitting rooms are always empty and waiting for you. But evenings are very hectic. Any offers means there's rush everywhere, be it in the fitting room or cash counter. And not just for garments, even the grocery shopping. If I have to do, it'll be daytime. When we were in Kerala, we had a nearby store that would deliver the essentials, but we had to order in bulk. Minimum of 4 or 5 products was needed. Having said about all this shopping and such, let me introduce you to an app in which my husband is also a part of. It's Trolley In. If you're someone residing in any apartments in Calicut, you should definitely use this, and I'll tell you why. Before that, let me explain what this app is all about. It is an online supermarket. Just like any supermarket, you get all your grocery needs at your doorstep if you're residing in Calicut in any apartments listed in their website or app. Now, the specialty of their app or the specialty of the service that they do is they deliver even the smallest of your order free of cost at your doorstep. That was sounding impossible initially, so just to make myself clear, I asked few of my friends who were residing in apartments in Calicut to download this app and try to order the minimum they could, like say 1 egg, which is just 5 rupees. You can check their website and or the app. It's just 5 rupees. That's the minimum order of the egg, 1 egg. And yes, they deliver 1 egg free of cost. And that was really surprising and amazed me a lot. And I think it's really wonderful because I don't think any app or any store have this service of delivering just one single product. Even if it is an egg, you have to buy the whole carton, because I don't think 1 egg can be delivered for free of cost. And that's really amazing. So if you are residing in any apartments, because all the apartments, almost all the apartments in Calicut are listed, very soon they will be delivering to houses and moving to other states in Kerala. Hopefully in near future, they will be moving to other states in India. So don't forget to check out their website, download their app. It's available in iOS and Android. So hurry up. Back to a few glimpses of our shopping in Muscat. Eid is approaching and this time our Eid will be slightly different. We'll let you know soon about it. Our shopping is almost done. For me, shopping while in Kerala was much easier, I would say, because there were a lot of online options. Amazon, Myntra, where we used to buy dresses from. We tried the dresses. If not fitting, we could easily return. Not sure of any such apps here of good quality products. If anyone residing in Muscat know of any such apps, do let me know so that I can avoid going to the store. Moving to another part of this video, when I prepared very simple chicken curry and a snack. I had a small piece of beef left in my freezer. This will come around maybe just half kilo. I cut that into very small pieces. Instead of this, you can use minced meat or the keema. Now cook the beef in a pressure cooker, adding some salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1/2 to 1 cup water. Mix. Cover the cooker, lock the pressure, cook on high flame till first whistle comes, then reduce the flame to low and cook for 20 minutes. While the beef is cooking, I started for the chicken curry. In a cooking pot, heat some coconut oil. Then fry few curry leaves to flavor the oil. To that goes 1.5 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste. Here I added 2 tablespoons green chili paste as the heat was less from the chili I used for the chili paste. And moreover, no chili powder is added into this recipe. Saute till the raw smell leaves. Then goes in 2 medium onion chopped roughly. You may slice or chop into very small pieces, doesn't matter. Saute till it becomes soft and translucent. Now add the chicken pieces, that's a total of 1 kilo. Mix and let the chicken change the color to pale. Once the chicken changes to pale color, add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Give a mix. Now add in 2 small tomatoes. Chop into small or medium pieces. Mix for a few seconds. Make sure flame is low-medium. Keep covered and let the tomatoes go soft. Meanwhile, the beef is done and all the water in it is evaporated. Add the beef to a blender and pulse it few times. Now the chicken is almost getting cooked. After mixing for almost 10 to 15 seconds, time to add laban. This is thick buttermilk that we get here. I'm using Mazoon brand. In case you don't have laban, blend some thick curd and then add. This comes to around 2 cups laban. Adding little water and mix well. Add half teaspoon garam masala powder and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Let the chicken fully cook. Keep covered. Meanwhile, let's prepare the snack filling. For this, heat some olive oil. Saute half cup chopped spring onion. Saute till it's soft and light brown in color. Meanwhile, here the chicken is almost cooked. Time to add half cup fresh cream. Give a good mix and that's done. Into the spring onion, add 1 teaspoon garlic paste and 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Saute well for 2 minutes. To this goes the beef that was pulsed in the blender. Mix well. Add a handful of chopped spring onion leaves. This comes to almost 1.5 cup. You may add less if you want. Mix well. So that it doesn't stick to the kadai, adding 1/4 cup of warm water. That's half tablespoon red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix well. I'll be using feta cheese in this, which is already salty, so not adding any salt, and the beef was already cooked with salt earlier. That's done. Now turn off the flame. Melt some butter, almost 50 grams butter. In a bowl, beat 1 egg. Then add 1 cup milk. To this, add the melted butter that was cooled down a bit. Give a mix. In another bowl, add the beef mixture. Now you can also do the same with mutton or chicken. Depends on your preference. I'm just recreating a dish called Borek, which uses spinach for the filling. To the beef goes in 1 cup feta cheese. Mix really well. That's done. Keep aside. Now for the wrap, these are Phyllo sheets that's even used for the baklawas. You can easily get it in stores. If you don't find this, I do have a recipe on this done a couple of years back in a Ramadan preparation video. Shall link that in the description box. These are very delicate sheets, can easily tear, so be careful while handling. Take 2 Phyllo sheets at a time and apply the egg milk butter mixture all over. Place the filling onto one side in a straight line. Basically, you need to roll this, place it in a spiral way in a round tray. As I don't have a round tray, I am placing it in lines. Cover both ends and gently roll without tearing the sheet. Apply the milk mixture wherever you see the sheets are dry. Place it in a spiral way or like how I did. Once the tray is packed with the sheets, pour the remaining milk mixture on top. The crumbles you see here is of butter. It's because the milk was cold and the butter became a bit solid after adding. This melted as soon as I kept in the oven. Bake this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes or until the color changes to golden brown. The chicken curry goes well with paratha, rice rotis and even rice. I wanted to prepare rice roti, but then as I was in no mood to stay for that long in the kitchen, wanted to finish off the work and come out, quickly made a pulao. Into a pressure cooker, add ghee, butter or oil, then goes in whole spices, 4 cardamoms, 4 cloves, a small piece cinnamon, a teaspoon whole black peppercorns and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then add 1 small capsicum that's chopped, give a mix. After a minute, add 1/4 cup green peas. Then goes in washed and drained rice. This is 2 cups rice. I have used Jeeragashala rice. You may use basmati instead. Roast the rice on low flame for 5 minutes. Then add hot water. As I'm cooking in a pressure cooker, I will use water double the amount of rice minus 1 cup. So here I've used 3 cups hot water. Add a handful of chopped coriander leaves and very few mint leaves. Add some salt. Mix. Cover the cooker, lock the pressure and cook on high flame till first whistle. Then reduce the flame to low and cook for 5 minutes. That's a simple fruit salad. I had mango with me. Chop 2 mangoes into medium chunks. That's kiwi. Adding 2 kiwis, again chopped medium chunks. Now you can add fresh cream and condensed milk to make it a sweet fruit salad. But here what I normally love to add is 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just a pinch of chili flakes, only a pinch is enough or you can even skip this. Give a mix to this. A tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon tahina and a tablespoon of chili sauce. Now the tahina and the chili sauce are optional. You can skip those if you want. Mix well and the fruit salad is ready. Cut the snack in medium length. Now if you had placed in a spiral way, you can cut them in triangles. That's how Borek is sliced. That's how it looks inside. It's delicately crunchy on the outside and soft inside. I didn't make the semolina drink or any juice, and this is reality. Towards the end of Ramadan, the number of items starts diminishing. But it also depends on whether everyone wants it or not. And on this day, my husband had iftar from outside with his colleagues. I wanted to show you how I maintain my weight this Ramadan, but because of 2 iftar parties and other, I was not able to shoot a video on that. Maybe in my next video I can try showing you and the healthy routine I followed along with some healthy recipes I used to make apart from the iftar party menu. So that's all for today's video and I hope you enjoyed watching it. See you with another one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.